Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this cool image animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. Take the frame and place the image in it. Change the background color of the frame. Now add some circle shapes and adjust their color. Now add some flower images, just place them randomly. Repeat the same process for the second image layout. I'm going to export these images. Now take a rectangle I want to split this image into 7 pieces. Place the rectangle behind the image. Select both and apply mask. Duplicate the mask group. And select the image in it and move it. Just reduce the width of the rectangle in x-axis. Repeat these steps to get all the 7 pieces from the images. Do same for the second image. Now take the main frame. Create a smaller frame same size as the slice. And duplicate the frames. Place the mask group inside the frame. Duplicate the main frame and flip the inner frames. And replace the mask group. Connect the frames using on-click interaction. Use Smart Animate with ease in and out of duration 600 ms. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.